Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with regular milk. While regular milk contains only about 2 to 3% fat, making it challenging to whip into a stable form, we can still create a delightful, airy topping. This guide will show you a clever method to achieve a light, fluffy texture, perfect for desserts. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a whipped treat with a lighter touch. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of very cold regular milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. The secret ingredient for stability is about 1/2 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin powder. Also, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachments are thoroughly chilled in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This helps immensely. Now, let's prepare your whipped milk. First, sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin over 2 tablespoons of cold water in a small bowl and let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. Then, gently warm the bloomed gelatin, perhaps in a microwave for 10 seconds, until it completely dissolves. In your chilled mixing bowl, combine the 1 cup of cold regular milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in the dissolved gelatin mixture. With all ingredients combined, it's time to whip. Using an electric mixer, whip the milk mixture on high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes until soft peaks begin to form. The mixture will be light and airy. For best results, chill your whipped milk in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the gelatin to set further, enhancing stability. Serve this delightful, lighter topping immediately on your favorite desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.